you for watching this video. Today I will show you how amazing Snapshot Restore works with AHV and how fast you can recover in case of a problem or any other reason. So let's start by logging in the management console. We're going to go in the VM tab. We're going to look for a VM. So let's start by creating a snapshot of this VM right here. We're going to name it test, submit. It's really fast, as you can see. So now if you want to restore from this snapshot in case of a problem or any other reason, you go in the snapshot tab here. You select the snapshot you want. You click on restore. Click on yes. Once it's completed, it's going to be offline, obviously. So you're going to have to start the VM. And that's it. The VM is on. Thank you for watching.